consistency is what makes a great horseman. Look at this good-looking horse here. Oh, Sherry on call. Go free ride, cowgirl. Her position is extremely correct. Watch the way she rides. Her hands are up forward in front of the saddle horn. She sits deep in that saddle. I love these cowgirls that sit on these horses the right way. They got a good soft lower back. They push their horses forward with their back, their lower style. Here comes a little turnaround work. Here we go. We got a little something going. That's not a bad turnaround, guys. Help her out. You know what? If you get forward, she goes right back to that horn, gets in position. Look at this horse. No trouble. This is a little bitty horse, too. All right, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Look at her. Look over her right. This might be the best one. Look out, guys. We got a dark horse here. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I don't think she's ever touched one more, guys. In there. There's a flying lead change, so that's going to help get that point back. That was a nice job. She never dropped the trot that time, and she was very, very close to the tails. Her circle was very tight, very nice. Look at that. Look at this. Is this a nice looking horse or not? What a great conformation. She rides in a soft hand, loose one. Rip your horses in the ground, guys. You sit down and teach them to stop. You position them up. Look at this cowgirl. She turns completely loose in that horse. My Lord. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh, be careful, be careful. Oh, yeah, you know, she's smart. That was smart. She got a little out of position. She said, I'll just move over here and get repositioned.